Hello, I'm Teacher Ivan from WUNNA Educational Services. Today we shall be looking at how to find roots and powers using the logarithm tables. We have a question which says evaluate each of the following using log tables. Number 1 is the square root of 1.44. We all know that the square root of 1.44 is 1.2. So let us use log tables and see if we shall get 1.2. When using log tables, this is how the log table looks like. It has a column of number, standard form, and the log. So our number we are operating is 1.44. We change this number in standard form, which is 1.44 times 10 power 0. And when we are writing the log, we shall start with the power, so it is 0 point. Then you get your calculator and press log. You press log of 1.44, but make sure your calculator is in degrees. It shows a D here. If not, please you press shift and clear. Then you press number 3. This is what I mean. You press shift, clear, you press all that is 3, and you press equal signs, so it will be reset. Then you press log of 1.44, which is 0.15836, but we are rounding off to the first 4 digits. That is 1584. That is if we round off to the first 4 digits. Now, since we want the square root, we divide our log by 2. For roots, we divide the log by the required root. If it was root 3, we will divide by 3. If it is root 4, divide by 4. Since it is square root, we are dividing by 2. So you have 0.1584 divided by 2. You end up with 0.0792. That is what we have. Now, this isn't our answer. We must drive this answer all the way back to the first column. And now, how do we change log to to standard form and back to the number? This is it. Because if you remember very well, this 0 was this power, and therefore this 0 will be our power here. That is times 10 power 0. Then if you remove this 0, you remain with still 0. So you press the anti-log, that is shift, then log. It brings that sign of 10. You put in this figure, that is 0.0792. You press equals, so you get 1 1.20005. We can ignore that. And then, so we have changed from log to standard form. This 0 is our power. Then you press the anti-log, that is shift then log of this. It gives you this. So since it is times 10 power 0, it means that it has not moved. So it gives us 1.2. We can ignore the zeros. And really, if you use a calculator to press the square root, you can do that together. Square root of 1.44 is 1.2. That means that our answer is correct. So that is how we get the square root. In our next video, we shall be looking at how we get the cube root. Please don't miss. See you there.